we have quite a bit of alerts.
Tropical storm watch in effect. What? South winds 50 to 20 knots this afternoon, increasing to 25 to 35 knots tonight, with gusts to 45 knots possible. Winds will shift to southwest on Wednesday.
FFW Beaumont, 4 FFWs over here.
Where portions of the Gulf of America.
Gulf of Texas, motherfucker.
Impacts of tropical storm force.
And look at this, you guys.
Capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should consider altering plans to avoid possible hazards.
Tropical storm watch for Chambers, coastal Galveston, coastal Brazoria, and the Matagorda Islands.
Secure the vessel for severe wind and seas.
And the flood watch.
A tropical storm watch is in effect for the following
Counties in Texas. Bolivar Peninsula. And we got a coastal flood warning for Bolivar.
Inland Galveston and Matagorda Islands.
I don't have my phone on me, unfortunately, so I will record on this dinky ass camera. Flash flood warning.
Flooding of small creeks and streams.
They are gonna tell me. They 1050'd.
And underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tomball, Spring, Cypress, Hooks Airport, and Hurricane Harbor splashdown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most
FFW, Aransas, Calhoun, and Ruffield. Here we go. She's in the phone.
Daylight time at 12:02 p.m.
¿Qué toman aquí? I'm sorry, I'm not going to feel for this job.
The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected
Unrecognized.
shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tomball, Spring, Cypress, Hooks Airport, and Hurricane Harbor splashdown.
12 a.m.
Don't drown when encountering flooded
Oh my god.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
It messed up.
Flood watch remains in effect through Thursday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of south central and southeast Texas, including the following areas: in south central Texas, coastal Jackson and inland Jackson. In southeast Texas, Austin, Bolivar Peninsula, Brazoria Islands, Chambers,
Considerable.
southwestern Montgomery, northeast.
GG's. I'm gonna go do some shit. I knew it.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southeast Texas, including the following counties: Harris, Montgomery, and Waller. When? Until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Impact: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying outdoor locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excessive rainfall. Expect many areas of flowing or standing water. Additional details at 2:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 2.5 and 6.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.1 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area over the next 3 hours. Some locations that will experience flooding include Conroe, Tomball, Pinehurst, turn around when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The forecast for Houston and the surrounding areas. Flood watch remains in effect through Thursday morning. This afternoon, mostly cloudy with a chance of
What is that?
to 11 feet.
Tropical storm warning!
Coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Freeport to Matagorda Ship Channel, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, and waters from High Island
Tropical storm warning!
from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When through Wednesday night, impacts, tropical storm force lines and hazardous seas could capsize or damage vessels.
Tropical storm warning! Arthur's coming.
These hazardous conditions. Remain in port. Seek safe harbor.
Tropical storm warning.
Conditions.
Oh,
Tropical storm watch remains in effect. Watch the potential for winds up to 35 knots to 35
this didn't go off.
Where Galveston Bay and coastal waters from Freeport to Matagorda Ship Channel, Texas, out 20
And 3:40 a.m.
when through Wednesday night. Impacts.
My first tropical storm warning.